Hey guys, what's up? Red Yoshi02 here. Just another one of my videos. Um, but this one's going to be quite interesting. So you have these Angry Birds, a little red keyring, yellow keyring, white one that makes noises, yellow one that makes noises. As you can see there. But I also have a blue bird, which is this size. But my sister lost that. So why don't I just go with a little yellow bird and play a prank. I think she's on Mossy Monsters or something. You just got pranked by an angry... Oh, Jesus. Maybe you could get a series out of that. So, that obviously didn't go as planned. But maybe this will. Ha ha! Run away, run away, run away!